Hello again, hola, and thank you for choosing to watch another instalment from here at my YouTube channel, Benidorm and Beyond. I produce positive, fun and informative vlogs about this resort where I've lived for over 20 years now, so please subscribe to the channel and join me on my daily adventures. Also, please feel free to interact by adding a like or a comment to spread the word about Benidorm and Beyond, or just to say hi and show your appreciation. Many thanks. Today's vlog brings you a look around the recently revamped Talk of the Coast Cabaret Bar, which is sandwiched between Calle Girona, or the Strip, and the busy main thoroughfare of the Avenida del Mediterraneo. Most people locate it by heading off the Strip, however, and it's easily found just a few metres up from the popular Morgan's Tavern, with the entrance to the passageway where it's situated bang in the middle of the Waikiki Bar and the Hotel Reardor. And as you are watching, you can see how the outside of the venue used to look. Open nightly, the live singing and music acts start at 8 p.m, with the evening's entertainment clearly displayed on boards outside, so you can plan your full evening out in advance. The interior of the venue can't be seen from the outside anymore, as it's now decorated with window stickers of faux red curtains akin to a theatre, meaning you have full privacy once inside, should you wish to strut your stuff on the dance floor later and really let go. You enter through glass doors and head to your left, where you find a long bar running all the way along the back wall, but feel free to just find yourself a seat at an empty table, where the uniformed waiters will then come directly to you to take your order, although you can of course order and pay at the bar yourself, should you wish to do so. There is also a smaller bar in the far corner, so you never need to wait long for your soft drink, beer, spirit or cocktail before settling down to watch the night's performances, and prices are reasonable for a cabaret bar, with a glass of wine costing just €2.50. The elevated stage, which has a large LED screen directly behind it for showing accompanying videos and clips during the very professional acts, has a small dance floor in front of it with neon lights and signs everywhere, as you would fully expect on a night out in Benidorm. A variety of acts perform at the Talk of the Coast, including tributes to some musical legends such as Elvis, ABBA, Eminem, Ed Sheeran and Wham, along with the popular comedian Jimmy Bright, so there's always something different to see for all tastes. Ben Jackson, a tribute to the King of Pop Michael Jackson, performs nightly at 8 o'clock and is exclusive to this venue alone. And we are taking a look at his show today, as you can see, with footage later on bringing you a taste of Benidorm's The Jersey Boys singing the hits of Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. I will now let you sit back, watch and enjoy the rest of the vlog, and maybe this is somewhere that you'll consider visiting next time that you're here in Benidorm on your holidays if you haven't discovered it already. And as always, with any of my vlogs that contain music and entertainment, this video is a montage of some of the songs you might expect to hear if you watch these fantastic acts, so if some of the footage seems a bit short or suddenly cut off, it's due to copyright claims on the music, so please bear with me, or even better, go and see the full show yourself. Thanks so much for watching today, and don't forget to check out my back catalogue of other vlogs, which include info-packed street and beachfront walks, news bulletins and updates, incognito looks around some of the resort's favourite hotels, along with lots of news and reviews of new cafes, bars and businesses. I'll catch you next time, so bye for now and enjoy the show. I'm off to the bar for a drink. Cheers!
The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every head turned, feeling passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. Baby